Hi, my name is Lindsay and I'm with Dells Mobility Scooters, and today we're at the Wisconsin Dells Riverwalk. We are going to put our scooters to the challenge. So we've got our Golden Buzz Around, and it has a battery that says it will go 18 miles, and our Pride Revo just about the same. So today we're going to do a little bit of a run from the Riverwalk all the way to Chula Vista Resort. Should be about 3 miles there, 3 miles back, and that'll be continuous running of our scooters. So come along with us on this journey. All right, Lindsay from Dells Mobility Scooters again. So that was our 3 mile scooter hike all the way to Chula Vista with really nice sidewalks along the way, some nice views, and now we're headed back to the Riverwalk. That's a wrap. We have been using our scooters continuously for 2 hours, never taking a break, starting at the Riverwalk all the way to Chula Vista back, and then we decided to do Broadway back and forth. Hope that helps you understand how long the scooter's batteries last, and we'll see you next time.